Good morning and welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I hope everyone had an excellent time, enjoyed fun, food, and family. Now I know you guys have already checked what you wanted for breakfast, given the lunch tray back to Miss Jerry, tallied what you want for lunch, and started your morning work. Remember I gave that to you before break. It's already in your folder. All right. Now, remember, even though Miss Romano is not here, we are still going to work, okay? So it is the last couple of days of November. So that means we are still starting class with our land acknowledgement. So we want to acknowledge that we gather as Joanne Lelek Elementary School on the traditional land of the Natachowtank and Piscataway, past and present, and honor with gratitude the land itself and the people who have stewarded it throughout the generations. Today, we are going to review As Brave as You. I know it's been a few days since we've thought about Ernie and Jeannie, so we're just going to do some turn and talks and review. We're going to do a close reading where we compare and contrast varieties of English. We'll do verb tense review, and then we will do some essay practice. But first, let's begin with a turn and talk. Take the next 2 minutes in your desk group to turn and talk about these questions. So, who are the characters in As Brave as You, and what do we remember about them? After this video ends, please start the timer for 2 minutes. The students will talk back and forth about what they remember. Don't be afraid to take out your benchmark book and reread.